Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. Once again, if you are not following me on Instagram, Telegram, I will put a link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So check it out. Follow me on Telegram. I'll be sharing a lot of information there. I'll be putting out a whole lot of information that will be useful for you guys. So follow me so you get access to this information. So let's start with this Euro US JPY. First, we can see that Euro JPY gave us this massive bullish move. Due to the fact that JPY actually fell. So basically, all our JPY pairs was actually on a bullish move. CAD JPY was bullish on Friday, right? Swiss franc JPY, GBP JPY, USD JPY, New Zealand JPY. So AUD JPY, everything on JPY was actually bullish due to the fact that JPY was actually on a bearish move, which it dropped. So with what I am seeing, I think we've actually gotten to kind of like a key level whereby we should be very, very careful going long on this Euro JPY. We should be very, very careful going, bullish move. So a drop will be coming anytime soon. We should be happening anytime soon. So we should be very, very watchful. But if in case price continues to go bullish, which I don't think it will, will happen for long. So if in case it will continue to go bullish, then that level we should sit at a level of 152. Currently, we are trading at 149, right? We are currently trading at 149 on Euro JPY. So if in case it will continue to go higher, then we should sit at a level of 152. Then price will start dropping. Or we are very much likely to start getting that drop on Euro JPY from this level. So watch out for it. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is actually saying. So you can see this is kind of like a massive movement, right? Let's see if price will go bullish a bit, just a little bit of a bullish move. Then once that happens, then we might start seeing kind of like a good amount of drop on Euro JPY. So what I'm seeing is that a drop is coming soon on Euro JPY. So we should be very, very careful, especially those that will still want to go long or those that your position is still opened. You should start securing at least good amount of your profits because anytime price can reverse soon and you might get stopped out.